Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Manueli. I'm going to show you how to access some resources on Schoology or NG Connect. So first you'll need to log on to Schoology, and this will bring you to your homepage. Click on your class, and then this is what your class will kind of look like. You need to look for the link that says NG Connect, and that's how you'll access Read for Reading material at home or at school. So click on that, and it should open up in a new tab. Okay, this is the home page of NG Connect or Reach for Reading. First, I'm going to show you how to access some of our books. So you're going to look for this button that says My Books. Click on it. Click on the purple book. And then if you're reading your anthology or your student book, you'll click here. And up at the top, you can zoom out, you can zoom in. You use these buttons or arrows to go to the next pages, and you can look for stories you're going to read. If I ever assign Comprehension Coach, you'll look up here and see this mouse, and down below it says Comprehension Coach. You'll click on that, and then you look for whatever story I assign that day. So say I assign Be My Neighbor, you'd look for it and click on that link. I'm not going to show you that right now, but we've done it in class, so you should know how. So you click that link if I ever say do Comprehension Coach. Make sure you read the story and answer all of the little red question buttons. Okay, we're going to go back to our home page. You'll go up here and click the little home button. I'm going to show you how to access the Read on Your Own books. These are how we practice our phonics lessons. So if I assign, let's say, Unit 1, Book 3, you'd look for that. Down here it says Unit 1, Book 3. Click on it. And then same thing, you can zoom out and you use these pages to go to the next page. So you can practice reading it. If I ever assign you a phonics book, this is where you'll do it. If it's Read on Your Own, make sure you go to Read on Your Own books and read the story there. Okay, let's go back to our home page now. Sometimes I will do assignments. That's like our vocabulary games, our phonics games. You'll click this orange button that says My Assignments, and then it will bring up some of your assignments that you have. So you can click on any of those games and work on them. And let's go back to our home button. Sometimes I assign tests on Reach for Reading or NG Connect. If you ever have a test, you'll click here, the purple button. And this will be orange if you have tests. If it's gray, it means you don't have any tests to take. So you could click on that and look at any tests you need to take and finish them. And here you can review all of the tests that you've already taken. Okay, I'm going to exit out of my assessment. And that's Reach Reading. If you need to go into NG Connect Kids, you can click here. You can find some other games. Our digital library is right here. So there's lots you can do on NG Connect, but I just wanted to show you some of those resources. Let's go back to Schoology, and I'm going to show you some other things. So you'll click the mountains to go back to our home page. Again, you click on our class. Okay, so when you are at home or you're quarantined and you need to do assignments at home, you can click on this gray assignments tab, and then you can open things. So weekly assignments, you'll click on that, and then there's a page with helpful videos. And if you need to open a video, so this is how to submit an assignment on Schoology. This is important. Make sure you watch this video. But if it's not opening within Schoology, let me show you. So right here, it says loom.com refused to connect. So if something's not opening in Schoology, you look up here for this gray box with an arrow. See that? Right here. And you'll click on that, and it will open your page in a new tab. And then you can watch this video about how to submit assignments. When you're done with it, you just exit out of the tab and go back to Schoology. So in our classroom, there's this welcome page that has a little note from me and some other resources that you can do at home. If you have any questions, let me or your teacher know, and I hope this video is helpful. Bye!